Hey, what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today I am going to show you guys how to make some J.P.Licious barbecue spare ribs. You guys stay tuned. We'll show you how we get these J.P.Licious ribs together. Check it out. First thing we're going to do, guys, is take this membrane off the back of these ribs. These ribs actually look very good. There's nothing special about these ribs. I got these ribs at Costco and they're just spare ribs. They seem to do a pretty good job getting these cut very nice in square shape, or I guess you could say rectangular shape. But anyhow, let's get this membrane pulled off. And what I like to do is take a knife and just get in under this membrane, or this skin, you can call it. Well, no, it's not skin, it's the membrane. And once you get it loosened up a little bit like that, you grab yourself a paper towel and get you some good grip, and there we go, and just pull away, and that takes that membrane right off. This is just nothing but fat on the back of these ribs. Throw that away, and you can do the same thing. Just take your little knife, you know, and you just take this fat right off of it, and that's really about it. You know, once I take the membrane off these other two, it's going to be time to season them up. We're going to start off with a base layer of some olive oil. Olive oil, just, you know, you can use whatever you like. Some people like using mustard. I like using olive oil. You know, helps the rub bind to the meat, and just a little bit on both sides of these spare ribs. That's all you really need, just a little bit. Okay, so once we get that started, you know, we'll form our rub now. And we're going to start off with a base layer of our JPAP. This is a very good all-purpose. You can use this just about anything. Brisket, ribs, pork, chicken, you name it. It's good for everything. So, little small layer of it. That's all we got to do. Little bit above about 8 to 10 inches above the meat that you're seasoning. You know, small little layer like this. That's all you really need. Get a little bit. And this is not your ordinary all-purpose. This is made with high quality kosher salt, you know, high quality ground coarse black pepper, and granulated garlic. You know, it's got some really good high quality products in it, or ingredients, I should say. All right. And we'll flip it over and then do the back side. And we're gonna let these ribs season overnight, and tomorrow morning we'll fire up our Lone Star offset smoker and do maybe a 3-2-1 method on them. J.P.Licious rub, baby. Gonna make these ribs stand out. You wanna make some good ribs and impress your friends? Guys, this is good stuff right here. This will add the color, this will add the flavor. Very good rub. And I'll show you what I mean by the color just a little bit. There we go. That's all you need, about 8 to 10 inches above the meat. Sprinkle it on there. A little bit on the bones. The bones like to be J.P.Licious as well. All right, let's get these bad boys flipped over. Ooh, man. Oh, I just love that smell. Can you smell it? Oh, God. Good stuff. Now for the front side. This is what we call the presentation side. You see the fat over here that's marbleized into the meat. If you want to get that color to cover it up, that way your ribs get that full mahogany color, You know, just add a little bit more of that, of your rub right on there. Good enough for me. Add a little bit more over here. And put these over here to the side. And we'll get these other 2 spare ribs ready to roll. We got these ribs seasoned up, guys. I just want you to take a quick look at how this rub has just started to take the moisture out of these ribs. These ribs are ready to go in the refrigerator. Tomorrow we're gonna smoke them in our Lonestargrillz offset smoker. We got the pit up to 250. We choked it down a little bit. That way we can slow the temp down and stabilize it. But this will be the first time I open it, and it's time to put these ribs in there. Ooh, man, look how massive that door is. I'm gonna put them on this second rack. One, 2. There we go. 3 racks of ribs. Close it up. And we'll check on them in a little bit. Hey guys, let's go ahead and get these ribs out of here. See what they look like. Get them wrapped up. And get them wrapped up, put a little bit of sauce on them, and put them back in. Man, do they look good or what? I mean, bone started pulling back a little bit. That's what you want. So let's go ahead and sauce them up. We're gonna be using our J.P.Licious on this set of ribs. And just put the whole thing in there. It was a bottle I already had opened up. Get it spread out. Man, it smells good. And we'll put them back in there and get them glazed over. And I'm gonna use a different sauce on some of these other ribs. Hey guys, time to get these ribs unwrapped, put a final glaze of our barbecue sauce on them, and give them another 30 minutes inside the smoker. Let's see what they look like. Got some nice pull back on these bones. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. Oh wow, they look good, gorgeous. But man, they are hot. Let me get this sauce opened up, and we'll be using the JP Caliente for these. Give them a good brush down and get them back in there. Give them about another 30 minutes. Let that barbecue sauce glaze over them, and they should be good to go. We're gonna cut into them and do a little taste test on them. Hey guys, so what do you think? Did these ribs come out looking terrific or what? They look absolutely marvelous. It's time to cut into them, see what they taste like, and give you an honest review. All right, I'm gonna move this one rack up here, and we just cut right. Oh yeah. They cut nice. Very, very nice. Alright, so get these bad boys flipped over, and oh my goodness, look at that. They've taken on a wonderful smoke ring. But enough talking. Let's give it a taste test. And man, they look absolutely perfect. I wanna pick this one right here and see what it's all about. Just bite right into it. Those are perfect ribs, guys. Perfect. They got enough texture to them where they're not falling off the bone. You can bite into the meat and it just comes right off the bone nice and easy. These are, oh, wow. I'm good, don't bite. These are good, look at that. You see what I mean? I mean, they just come off nice and clean. You know, nice little bite. Well, Mm. Mm. These are good ribs, guys. I mean, they are very, very, they're probably, I'm sorry, I'm over here talking with my mouth full. They're probably some of the best ribs that I've made. I mean, hands down. Lone Star Grill did a fantastic job in regards to smoking them. The JPAP along with the JP Caliente sauce on it, fantastic. But I'm gonna get me another bite. But before I do, just want to tell you guys I thank you very much for watching my videos. I appreciate you guys very much. If you get a chance, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button over there on the side, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit that bell to get future notifications of upcoming videos. And if you're interested in any of the products that I have, there's a link down in the description that has all these rubs and sauces. It'll take you straight to my website. And again, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you guys very much, and I will see you on the next cookout. Louis.